my name is Rebecca. Welcome to my channel. I want to make a Christmas tree that's just a little bit unconventional, but oh so darling and cute. I'm going to use an umbrella stand, a piece of PVC pipe, and I had to shim the bottom of the PVC pipe so it would be more sturdy, and then I'm going to zip tie on a tomato cage. I'm going to wrap my tomato cage with some garden burlap. If you are looking for burlap that is very cost effective to use, look on Amazon in the garden section and you can find a lot of different burlap sizes to use for your craft projects that are extremely cost effective and a lot less expensive than buying burlap on the bolt at Hobby Lobby or some of the big box stores or even the fabric stores. I'm attaching my burlap to the tomato cage with hot glue. I set 1/2 of the Christmas tree inside the tomato cage and I zip tied that to the PVC pipe, and then I'm just going to fold in some big loops of deco mesh and use my tree branches to make sure that they're on the tree very secure. Deco mesh, and I just secured it with a rubber band, or you can use a chenille stem to make a round ball. And then I'm going to cut pieces of green felt for my stem and my leaves and make a cherry to go on the top. I drew veins on the leaves with a magic marker, and then I put a chenille stem with some hot glue on the back of the leaves, and that is what gave my leaves some movability, and I hot glued those onto the cherry. I attached the cherry to the tree, by the way, with a chenille stem that I had wrapped around the rubber band. this little ice cream cone tree turned out really cute. But my friend Stacy said, what are you going to do with the bottom half of your tree? And so she suggested that we use the bottom half of the tree to make a milkshake. So I'm going to use a pool noodle and wrap that with some colored duct tape and then some poster board I cut to size, and I'm going to tape that, and we're going to make some stripes with some multicolored duct tape to go on the outside, and that will be the milkshake cup. I'm going to set the tree inside, and then I'm going to use the white deco mesh, wrap it around my tree branches in big loops to make some whipped cream, and set the pool noodle in the very middle for the straw. We are having a sweet treat themed Candyland Christmas, and it just would not be complete without a giant ice cream cone tree and a milkshake. Thanks for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell so that you know when I've uploaded my next video. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you ever so much for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.